Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to mark an item as not arrived on eBay. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you're trying to order an item on eBay and it still hasn't arrived yet. How do you actually go ahead and mark the item as not arrived on eBay? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is you're going to click on eBay, and then once you're on this page here, you want to click on My eBay on the bottom left hand corner. From here you want to click on Purchases or your order history, and then from here you're going to see a list of items that you've ordered from eBay. So let's pretend that the most recent item, the cabin air filters, has not been delivered yet. We're going to click on the item, and then towards the middle of the screen you're going to see blue text that says leave feedback or more actions. Go ahead and click on more actions. Next, you want to click on item has not arrived. So once you click on item has not arrived, you're going to reach this page right here. But as you can see, this item has been delivered though, and it has been taken a picture of. But even so, just make sure that you look in other areas around your house, building, or mailbox area, and also check with your neighbors. If you still can't find it, you can send the seller a request and they'll have 3 business days to respond before you ask us to step in. Us meaning eBay. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and mark an item has not arrived on eBay. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know.